welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while. That's because I guess been busy with stuff. I've been busy with sports. I've been busy with summer. I've been busy with stuff. So sorry that I haven't posted in a while. But today I'm gonna update you on all my animals. First, the mammals. So here's Dutchie. She's 8 years old. She snuggles. She loves us, and she sleeps a lot. She lays down a lot. And that's it about Dutchie. Next is Fina. So she's 3. She likes to play a lot with Duchess. She likes to dig holes. And that's it about Fina. Okay, so we have another mammal, but she's running away from us, so we can't show her, but we will show her later. So her name is Freya. She's not even 1 year old yet. She's a white husky mixed with something, and she likes to play with Fina and Duchess. Okay, so we do have another animal, and it's another mammal. He's 4 years old, so he's in the middle. And he's a husky too, and he has blue eyes. So so this is my crawfish. He likes dirty, murky waters, and his name is Big Pinchers. A big boy, and he does have big pinchers. Next up is all my reptiles. Here's my turtle. His name is Hulk Smash, and he's we don't know how old he is because we didn't actually buy him. So we got him from the wild. This is our second wild animal. We rescued him from the middle of the road. Next up is Theodore. We rescued him from an abandoned house. Next up is Caesar. I got him from one of my friends, Tessa and Justice. He's a corn snake. He's a real chill guy. This is Eleanor. She's another corn snake, and we actually rescued her like Theodore. Ooh. She looks just like kind of Caesar, but smaller. She doesn't want to. Next up, we're gonna show you Loki, but we can't get him out because he's actually grown a lot bigger and he got mean. So we don't really take him out that much. So we'll just show you clips of him. He's a boa. My daddy got him 2 years ago from the reptile show. And since then, he's been doing good. He recently shed, so you'll see that in the video in his enclosure. They shed to get bigger. So next up is Sevi. We had to take the hide out because both my sons like to stay in their hide. And Sevi is my first snake. I got it for Christmas. And also this is my favorite snake out of all of our snakes. And that's it for Sevi. So my last reptiles are leopard geckos. This is Sarah. She's the calmer one of our two leopard geckos. So the next leopard gecko is Shadow. We're going to show him in 3, 2, 1. Last but not least, my amphibian, the toad. His name is Snowball. Hope you like all my animals. Thanks for watching. Bye.